Hi guys, this is the 7th episode of the 6th season. I'm Harrison.
I'm Jonathan.
I'm Claire. Rachel.
Let's now get on with the sports.
There's no sports this episode. It's the start of a new season.
See you later. Back to you.
Yeah.
Oh wow, you guys need to calm down. So let's just get on with the announcements. Rachel, you want to go?
Sure. On February 5th, community track meet at MAC. And on February 9th, we have the half day.
Also on February 9th, the first graders celebrates Valentine's Day.
And also on February 9th, the kindergarten is going to visit Goat Farm.
And on February 9th, 12th grade government has food court. On February 12th to 19th, we have Chinese New Year break.
Yeah! On February 16th to 17th, our track meets at Taipei American School to do a run.
And on February 21st, there's going to be a dentist that's visiting kindergarten.
On February 23rd, 2nd grade speech elementary chapel. On February 23rd, we also have Thank God It's Friday, TGIF.
And also on February 23rd to 24th, there's the ACSC Track Championship.
And on February 28th, there's going to be an open house.
I heard the strings are going to play at it.
On March 2nd, it's the Combined Chapel. Also on March 2nd, we have middle school and high school doing Life Day.
And then on March 3rd, we have the MS Soccer Tournament.
Go Sharks!
Yeah!
Let's go!
So that's all for the announcements. Let's get on with the show.
Random fact!
Doctor, I think I'm afraid of giants.
I think you have C5 phobia.
On the street, and today's question is, what's your favorite app?
What's your favorite app?
Snapchat.
YouTube.
Go keep.
YouTube.
Clash Royale.
Facebook. Instagram.
I really like this app that's for keeping track of how much money you spend. It's called Ahoro.
Clash of Clans.
Instagram.
The Trail. It's kind of a game where you make things and you trade pieces that you find on the Oregon Trail.
And that's all for Man on the Street.
Detention is so boring.
I'm so far away from you, Charlie.
Good!
You know what we should do? We should find out who's messing with my homework. So I think, and I believe, that someone in this room who messed up my homework! You know what, Theodore? You're actually right for once. You know what this calls for?
It's time for an interrogation. Great, cuz you're going first!
What?
Okay, Victor, let's cut to the chase. Did you or did you not take our homework?
No.
Well, that was easy. Well,
I don't think so. Victor, I know you did it! I know you stole my Z keys, so I couldn't undo my deleted essay, so I couldn't undo what I did wrong.
For the last time, it wasn't me.
I was working on my Zanzibar project when I saw these Z computer keys. They weren't there when I started working. I picked them up and thought it'd be good to use them and put them on my project. And then you guys started accusing me when all I did was pick them up from the table.
See, Theodore, it wasn't me.
Well, Victor, I guess you didn't destroy my homework. I'm sorry. Not!
Theodore, you know there's an undo button on your computer. You could have just clicked that.
Shh. That's not the point.
Well, if Victor's out, then who's the homework stealer?
Wow, that was a really great episode for the first episode of 2018. Please like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching!
And see you next time!
Hey guys, this is the 7th episode.
Okay, Victor, let's cut to the chase.
Notification bell. And remember merch. Yeah, remember to get our Shark School merch. Shark School?
No, Shark Shop.
Just edit out that part.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, but you gotta face the camera.
Boom, 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 boom. Are you gonna put this in bloopers?
What? No, of course not.
Get on it. Done.
Action in 3, 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, please.
Hey guys. Thank you. Bye bye.
That's it for announcements.
Yeah, that's it for announcements.